Hello everyone, welcome to our next lesson. Today we're looking at integrating using the method called substitution. And what substitution is playing around with your equation so it is easier to integrate. So we'll look at two examples and hopefully you get a better feel for this method. So for instance, if I have to find the integral of the root of x cubed plus 2x times 3x squared plus 2 dx. That one, I don't know how to integrate that. So what I'm going to do is play around with it using this substitution method that makes it easier for me to integrate. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to make u equal to x to the power 3 plus 2x. If I find the derivative of that, du by dx, that's equal to 3x squared plus 2. And already we're noticing something funny is happening here. So let's keep going. If I make du equals 3x squared plus 2, what I'm doing is taking this dx and bringing it up here. Now if we look at the original question, this x cubed plus 2x, we called it u. So we've changed that to a u. And 3x squared plus 2 dx, that's there, which is equal to du. I know how to integrate u to the power 1/2. So I've made my problem a lot simpler problem. So this just becomes u to the power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus c. And then the final step, well, I don't want it in u's because the question gave me an x's, so I need to put it back to x. So it becomes 2 times u is equal to x cubed plus 2x to the power 3 over 2 divided by 3 plus c. Let's see one more example. So suppose I've got the equation or the problem, integrate x times e to the 1 minus x squared dx. Once again, this is a very tricky question. Now I can make u equals x, but then finding the derivative of that equals 1, so that doesn't really help me for this. I can make u equals x squared, the derivative of that is 2x, that gets somewhere to this. But even better, I can make u equal 1 minus x squared. So I got u equals 1 minus x squared. If I find the derivative, du by dx, that's equal to negative 2x. But if I look at this, I've dealt with this, so I've dealt with all my x's. I've got x dx. Well, this isn't x dx, so I need to change this somehow into x dx. So what I'm going to do is du is equal to negative 2x dx. Well, I've got the x dx here. I just need to get rid of this negative 2. So what I do is divide both sides by negative 2. I get negative 1/2 du is equal to x dx. And now I've got everything that I want. So this integral changes into, well, it becomes x dx is negative 1/2 du. And e to the power 1 minus x squared is e to the power u. And if I continue on, this I can take out the negative 1/2, so it becomes e to the u du. And if I integrate that, it becomes negative 1/2 e to the u plus c. The integral of e to the u is e to the u. And then I simply put back in the u. So it becomes negative 1/2 e to the 1 minus x squared plus c. Hope that helps. Have a good day.